First of all, import Tkinter for GUI creation. So this Tkinter will help us create a GUI, graphical user interface. Then you import OpenAI to use GPT models. Initialize your client for your API key. So this API key, remember, you get it from your OpenAI website profile. After that, you define your function. This will trigger the button when clicked. Then you get user input text from the first box when a user types in his text. Send the text to OpenAI to be summarized. This one here will clear previous text in the output box. And of course, you insert summarized text in this box, the output box. The root. This root here create the main application window. This is where everything is going to be displayed. This is the text area where user input will be inserted. The button here is the summarize. Once clicked, your original text is going to be summarized. Let's say you have a 20-line text, you want only one line. Once you click summarize, is going to be summarized in just one line. This output here is the text box to show your summary. The one-line text is going to be displayed in this text area. Your output will be displayed, of course, as a text of one line. And this is the loop, the run for GUI to keep looping over and over again. Now, let me go get my API key, which is this one here. I've been using from another program. This is my API key plugin in this AI summarizer. Run the code. It works. Here I have my AI summarizer. Grab my text right here and plug in the text. I want just one line from the original text. I provide the text here and I just want one line. Let's see. I have more than 10, 20 lines, let's say. Now I just want one line. Let's see. Right. The offer has been a passionate poetry. Have 20 lines. And you can see it just summarized in one line. It works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.